Welcome to our journey through the wonders of Bulgaria, a country that beautifully intertwines rich cultural heritage with breathtaking natural landscapes. Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, Bulgaria boasts a history that spans thousands of years, influenced by Thracian, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman civilizations. This diverse tapestry of cultures has left an indelible mark on the country, evident in its stunning architecture, vibrant traditions, and delicious cuisine. As we embark on this exploration, prepare to be captivated by Bulgaria's most amazing places, from the majestic Rila Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to the ancient ruins of Plovdiv, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Europe. Each location tells a story, revealing the essence of Bulgaria's past and its journey through time. But beyond the well-known landmarks, Bulgaria is home to countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Picture serene mountain lakes, enchanting forests, and picturesque villages that seem untouched by time. These lesser-known spots offer a unique glimpse into the authentic Bulgarian way of life, where traditions are cherished and nature thrives. In this video, we will highlight the importance of uncovering these treasures, as they not only enrich our understanding of Bulgaria but also inspire a deeper appreciation for its beauty and diversity. Join us as we delve into the wonders of Bulgaria, celebrating its cultural richness and natural splendor, and inviting you to experience the magic that lies within this remarkable country. The Rila Monastery. The Rila Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a testament to Bulgaria's rich cultural and religious heritage. Nestled in the picturesque Rila Mountains, this architectural marvel is renowned for its stunning design and intricate frescoes, which showcase the exceptional craftsmanship of the Bulgarian National Revival period. The monastery's vibrant colors and ornate details create a striking contrast against the backdrop of the majestic mountains, making it a must-visit destination for travelers and history enthusiasts alike. Founded in the 10th century by the hermit Saint John of Rila, the monastery has played a pivotal role in Bulgarian culture and religion. It served as a spiritual center, a refuge for scholars, and a bastion of Bulgarian identity during times of foreign domination. The Rila Monastery not only preserved religious texts and traditions but also became a hub for education and enlightenment, fostering a sense of unity among the Bulgarian people. The natural surroundings of the Rila Monastery further enhance its beauty, with lush forests, serene lakes, and breathtaking mountain vistas enveloping the site. Visitors can explore the tranquil landscapes, which provide a perfect setting for reflection and spiritual rejuvenation. The harmonious blend of nature and architecture creates an atmosphere of peace and serenity, inviting all who visit to connect with the profound history and spirituality that the monastery embodies. In summary, the Rila Monastery is not just an architectural gem, it is a symbol of resilience and faith, deeply rooted in the heart of Bulgaria's cultural landscape. Plovdiv's Old Town. Plovdiv's Old Town is a captivating blend of ancient history and vibrant culture, making it one of the most enchanting destinations in Bulgaria. As one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Europe, Plovdiv boasts a rich tapestry of history that dates back over 6,000 years. The Old Town is renowned for its well-preserved Roman ruins, including the impressive Roman Theatre, which dates back to the 1st century AD. This remarkable structure, with its stunning acoustics and capacity for thousands of spectators, still hosts performances today, allowing visitors to experience the magic of ancient entertainment. In addition to the Roman ruins, the Old Town is characterized by its colorful houses, which showcase the unique architectural style of the Bulgarian National Revival. These charming homes, adorned with intricate woodwork and vibrant facades, line the cobblestone streets, inviting visitors to wander and explore. Each house tells a story, reflecting the city's rich cultural heritage and the lives of those who once inhabited them. Plovdiv's Old Town is not just a historical site, it is also a thriving hub for the arts. The city hosts numerous cultural festivals throughout the year, celebrating everything from music and dance to visual arts and literature. The annual Plovdiv Jazz Fest and the Kapana Fest are just a few examples of the vibrant events that bring the community together and attract visitors from around the world. In summary, Plovdiv's Old Town is a treasure trove of history, culture, and creativity, offering a unique glimpse into the past while remaining a lively center for artistic expression in modern Bulgaria. The Seven Rila Lakes. The Seven Rila Lakes are a breathtaking natural wonder nestled in the heart of the Rila Mountains, renowned for their stunning landscapes and unique glacial formations. Each lake, with its crystal-clear waters, is named after its distinctive shape or characteristics, such as the tear, the eye, and the kidney. Surrounded by towering peaks and lush alpine meadows, the lakes create a picturesque setting that captivates visitors and nature lovers alike. The vibrant hues of the lakes, ranging from deep blue to emerald green, change with the seasons, offering a mesmerizing spectacle throughout the year. For outdoor enthusiasts, the 7 Ryla Lakes provide a plethora of hiking trails that cater to various skill levels. The most popular route leads hikers through a series of well-marked paths, offering breathtaking views of the lakes and the surrounding mountains. As you ascend, the fresh mountain air and the sounds of nature invigorate the spirit, making it an ideal destination for those seeking adventure and tranquility. In addition to hiking, visitors can engage in activities such as picnicking, photography, and even fishing in designated areas, allowing for a full day of exploration and enjoyment. The lakes are steeped in folklore and legends, adding an enchanting layer to their beauty. Local tales speak of mythical creatures and ancient gods who once roamed the area, with stories passed down through generations. One popular legend tells of a hidden treasure guarded by a dragon, enticing adventurers to seek out the lakes in hopes of discovering its secrets. In summary, the 7 Ryla Lakes are not only a stunning natural attraction but also a place rich in history and adventure, inviting all who visit to immerse themselves in their breathtaking beauty and captivating legends. Nizhbar. The Pearl of the Black Sea. Nizhbar, often referred to as the Pearl of the Black Sea, is a captivating coastal town that holds immense historical significance as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. With a history that dates back over 3,000 years, Nizhbar is one of the oldest towns in Europe, showcasing a rich tapestry of ancient ruins and charming cobblestone streets that transport visitors back in time. The remnants of Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman architecture can be found throughout the town, with well-preserved structures such as the Church of St. Sophia and the ancient city walls standing as testaments to its storied past. As you wander through Nizhbar's narrow streets, you will encounter a delightful blend of cultures and architectural styles that reflect the town's diverse history. The picturesque wooden houses, adorned with intricate carvings, sit alongside stone churches and ancient ruins, creating a unique atmosphere that enchants every visitor. This harmonious fusion of influences is a testament to the town's role as a significant trading hub throughout the centuries. In addition to its historical allure, Nizhbar boasts beautiful beaches and a vibrant atmosphere that attracts tourists from around the globe. The sandy shores offer a perfect spot for relaxation and sunbathing, while the lively waterfront promenade is lined with charming cafes, restaurants, and shops. Visitors can indulge in delicious local cuisine, enjoy fresh seafood, and immerse themselves in the lively ambiance that characterizes this coastal gem. In summary, Nizhbar is not only a treasure trove of history and culture but also a vibrant destination that invites exploration and enjoyment, making it a must-visit location on Bulgaria's Black Sea coast. The Thracian Tomb of Kazanlak. The Thracian Tomb of Kazanlak is a remarkable archaeological site that holds immense significance in understanding the ancient Bulgarian civilization. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this tomb dates back to the 4th century BC and is part of the larger Thracian necropolis in the Valley of the Thracian Kings. The tomb provides invaluable insights into the burial practices and cultural beliefs of the Thracians, an ancient people known for their rich traditions and artistry. One of the most striking features of the Kazanlak tomb is its stunning frescoes, which adorn the walls of the burial chamber. These vibrant murals depict various scenes, including rituals, feasts, and the daily life of the Thracians, showcasing their artistic prowess and deep connection to their beliefs. The use of vivid colors and intricate details in the frescoes not only highlights the skill of the artists but also offers a glimpse into the social and cultural dynamics of the time. The burial practices observed in the tomb further illuminate the Thracian worldview, emphasizing the importance of the afterlife and the rituals associated with it. The tomb's design, featuring a circular burial chamber and a long corridor, reflects the architectural sophistication of the Thracians and their reverence for the deceased. Overall, the Thracian Tomb of Kazanlak plays a crucial role in enhancing our understanding of ancient Bulgarian civilization. It serves as a testament to the Thracians' rich cultural heritage and their contributions to the historical narrative of the region, making it an essential site for both scholars and visitors alike. In this video, we have journeyed through the remarkable wonders of Bulgaria, uncovering the rich cultural heritage and breathtaking landscapes that make this country a hidden gem in Europe. From the stunning Rila Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases exquisite architecture and spiritual significance, to the charming streets of Plovdiv's Old Town, steeped in ancient history and vibrant arts, Bulgaria offers a diverse array of experiences for every traveler. We also explored the natural beauty of the 7 Rila lakes, where glacial waters meet majestic mountains, and the historical significance of Nizhbar, a coastal town that beautifully blends ancient ruins with a lively atmosphere. The Thracian tomb of Kazanlak further highlights Bulgaria's archaeological treasures, providing insights into the burial practices and artistry of the Thracians, an ancient civilization that shaped the region's history. Each of these sites not only tells a story of the past but also invites us to appreciate the cultural richness and natural beauty that Bulgaria has to offer. We encourage you to explore these amazing places yourself, as they promise unforgettable experiences and a deeper understanding of Bulgaria's heritage. Whether you're drawn to its historical landmarks, stunning landscapes, or vibrant culture, there is something for everyone to discover. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of the world together.